Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your payment method on Shein. So open up the Shein app, and first we want to create a sample order. So for example, I will choose this sweater here and I will add it to my cart. I'm going to choose a size and just add it to cart. Alright, so now what we want to do is enter our cart here in the top right corner, and then we will proceed to checkout. Now here you will see payment methods, and you can choose either PayPal, credit card, debit card, or Apple Pay. And if you want to change your payment method here, for example, I will choose credit card, and if I click on place order, then it's gonna look a little something like this. I will just type out my information right here, the card number, and then you will check this option called remember this card. Now if you remember your card on Shein, then that is going to change your payment method and it's going to become your default payment method. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.